Hi there! This video is here to help you with short multiplication using known facts. There are different groups of known facts that we can use to help us. Let's have a quick reminder of some of these. We can use the multiplication facts that we know from our times tables. We could use decimal and fraction equivalents that we know. Or we could use our place value knowledge to multiply by multiples of 10. Let's have a look at how we can use each of these. If you want to calculate 0.5 multiplied by 48, we can use decimal and fraction equivalents. 0.5 is equivalent to half, so we need to calculate half of 48. Half of 48 is 24, so 0.5 multiplied by 48 equals 24. What about if we wanted to calculate 0.25 multiplied by 84? Which decimal and fraction equivalent would we use? 0.25 is equivalent to 1/4, so we need to calculate 1/4 of 84. We can do this by dividing by 4. 84 divided by 4 equals 21. So 0.25 multiplied by 84 equals 21. If we want to calculate 0.34 multiplied by 20, we can use our place value knowledge to break it into smaller pieces. 0.34 multiplied by 20 equals 0.34 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 10. So we can multiply 0.34 by 2 and then use place value to multiply the answer by 10. 0.34 multiplied by 2 equals 0.68. 0.68 multiplied by 10 equals 6.8. So 0.34 multiplied by 20 equals 6.8. Let's use our times table knowledge to calculate 0.4 multiplied by 60. 0.4 multiplied by 60 equals 0.4 multiplied by 6 multiplied by 10. Remember that we can multiply these numbers in any order. Let's multiply by 10 first. 0.4 multiplied by 10 equals 4. So 0.4 multiplied by 60 equals 4 multiplied by 6. Now we can use our times table's facts. 4 multiplied by 6 equals 24. So 0.4 multiplied by 60 equals 24. Now it's your turn. Use known facts to find the answers to these calculations. Remember to think about what you could use: times table facts, decimal and fraction equivalents, and place value. Pause now to work them out. How did you get on? Check your answers. Pause again if you want to take a closer look. 0.25 multiplied by 44 equals 11. 0.12 multiplied by 30 equals 3.6. 0.5 multiplied by 126 equals 63. 0.3 multiplied by 50 equals 15. Amy and Chrissy are calculating 0.2 multiplied by 75, but they disagree about how to work it out. Amy thinks she needs to divide 75 by 5, but Chrissy thinks they need to divide it by 2. Who is correct? Remember to explain how you know. Amy is correct. She has used decimal and fraction equivalents and she knows that 0.2 is equivalent to 1/5. To work out 1/5 of 75, she has calculated 75 divided by 5. I hope this has helped you to understand how to solve short multiplication problems using known facts. If you still need more maths help, we have lots of these videos on the Twinkl website, so make sure to check them out. Thank you for watching.